Okay, you know, they say you can't go back and try to repeat the things that you've done before. Well, we're going to show you why.
YOLO Adventure, live your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams. One life, one chance, come explore. YOLO Adventure, there's so much more. Dive in deep, climb up high, touch the stars, reach for the sky.
Art was commissioned by Napoleon before he was exiled to St. Helens.
After our wonderful evening at Versailles, the following day we had the opportunity to go to Paris for a few hours and relive our last visit there by enjoying the architecture of Paris, the Champs-Élysées, and all the very famous monuments and sites. It was beautiful. And then we expected to follow it with a very, very nice lunch cruise on the Seine River. Of course, no driving through Paris is without seeing all the couturiers and the fashion, high fashion, expensive stores all along the Champs-Élysées and the Place de la Concorde. In Paris on the Seine River.
And an open-air ferry with lots and lots of kiddies on Easter break and families. And here we are reliving our beautiful romantic trip down the Seine.
We're on the Seine and we're on the Bateau Mouche. And we are probably a 2-hour little cruise up and down the Seine River. And see all the sights either side.
And thankfully there's always the beautiful architecture, so all of that will be later. now it's time to take some beautiful photos along the Seine River. And look at our view. Are you ready for this? This says it all. This is our wonderful view. All of the bloggers and the selfies and the family taking pictures of each other so they have the beautiful backdrop of Paris. It would have been nice to get something without all of those people. You can never go back. Our first trip down the Seine River was a romantic one with dinner and champagne. And c'est la vie, we thought we were going to experience it again. But you gotta watch what you're booking. And here we are, our last memories of good old Grand Paris and spring break. Go. Hello, my gosh, you handsome gentleman and lady. Thank you so much.
YOLO Adventure.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video.
YOLO Adventure, there's so much more.